All right, welcome to level 3, Gigi. Make it happen. Okay, Gigi, make it happen. Nicely done. All right, everybody, let's make some noise for Corey. Nice try. All right, let's hear it for French fry. Nice catch. All right, here we go. All right, French fry. Luna, you're up. Lulu, sorry. Hey, everybody, at 2 o'clock, we have the best Momo contest. So that's in 7 minutes, and it's going to be really close. Wow-wee! So if you have a best Momo for your, if your dog has a best Momo, we're gonna need you to line up starting like pretty quick here. Go ahead, our next dog, Kara. Oh, whoa! Thought you had it for a second there. Nice try. All right, let's hear it for Pono, everybody. Make some noise. Pono, show us how it's done. Oh my Lord, that was great. Let's go ahead and welcome our next dog, Tucker. Oh, nice try, Tucker. Once we get the bar set up, we're gonna have a warm welcome for Ziggy. Oh boy. Oh. 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 Oh yeah! All right, ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for Crouton the Corgi. Show the world how it's done, Crouton. Rock Corgi. Down. Down. Oh boy. Such concentration, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh. Ooh. Oh boy. Welcome to round 4, Crouton. All right, here we go, guys. Bob. For Gigi. We're starting to get to some serious low limbo action, everybody. This is gonna separate the pack, I think, level 4. Look at that concentration. Uh-oh. That harness looks suspect. Oh! Good try, Gigi. Thanks for playing. Good job, guys. All right. Lulu. Let's make some noise, everybody. Oh, it gets difficult. Yeah, no, that wasn't you guys. All right, here we go. Let's make some noise for Lulu. Oh, nice try, guys. Thanks for playing. Good Lord. All right, let's hear it for French fry. French fry, wrong way. Snackos, snackos. You got this, French fry. Let's make it happen, buddy. Oh! I got it. Good try, French fry. Everybody make some noise for French fry. Good job, by the way. All right. Let's hear it for Pono. We got a special celebrity, Super JoJo the Corgi's in the house. Oh, nice try. Thanks for playing, Pono. Let's make some noise for Ziggy. Once again, Best Momo contest is going to be like right after this. So if you have a Best Momo, oh, Ziggy. Oh my gosh, I kind of want to do it over, but that's not fair to the rest of us. Thanks for playing, Ziggy.
Huh?
Do we have anybody that made it? Wait, no, you made it, right? What? All right, so if Crouton makes it right now, Crouton will be the winner. We've had no dogs make it through level 4. So you could be watching history, ladies and gentlemen, right here. If Crouton makes it, she becomes the 7-time Corgi Limbo champ. Retains her title. Oh, those ears are hitting it. Oh, jeez. Got the ears passed. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching a professional at work. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my gosh. I think she's gonna make it. Yeah! Oh my gosh, congratulations, Crouton the Corgi. Amazing. Thank you, Lucky Stars. You are here to witness that, ladies and gentlemen. What an amazing tribute. 14 years old, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear it for Crouton. Awesome. Yes. All right, everybody, we're going to do Best Momo in like 5 minutes. So if you have a Best Momo Corgi, get him back here. Get him set up because we're going to make your